Okay, so in this video I'll be doing this question which is very easy question. I've already solved it, but I forgot to make a video about it, so I'll do it for you again. It is very easy question, but still I wanted to cover the full series, so that's why I'm taking it again. Okay, so here we have to do what? Just we have to split and join the strings or string, okay, in Python by using a delimiter with split method. Okay, so string can be split on a delimiter. So delimiter, I'll tell you. So for an example, here you can see an string. This is a string which is name inside this string it is written this is a string, and it is being stored at a on a variable called a. Okay, so it is stored as a variable a. Now performing the split function, you have seen me doing this, so it is just an exercise where you can see specifically. Okay, so you take a string which is a in our case, you use split with a delimiter. This is delimiter space. Okay, so what it will do is it will go to our string a. This will see the string a, what is there inside a, and it will see those places where the delimiter will be. Okay, so here you can see there is a delimiter of space because we have given a space, so it will search for space. Here also there is a space, and then here also it is a space. So it will split the string wherever there is a space with comma. You can see that here comma, these space are converted into comma, and all this full string has become the list of strings. Okay, you can see that it is a total list which each element is a string. Okay, it has been printed. So this is the task we have to do first. Then just like splitting, we have to join the string as well. Okay, so here it is seen. I've used this code in the previous question, so you can see that just to join a string, you write what the delimiter with what you have to join, or I should say rather limiter, and then dot, there is a dot here, then you just write join. Okay, join and pass the string. So a is our this guy in this list of string, so this will go inside here, and at the output you are storing it in the variable a again. So what it will do is it will join all these strings list elements of strings with dash. You can see here dash. Why? Because we have given argument here dash. So that is about joining, and that is about splitting. Just a very easy example, so you have seen me doing it. Okay, so in the first line you will get the string, then I split the string with a space and join the string with dash. This is the task. Okay, so here you can see the first line will give us a string consisted of space separated words. So space separate, it is talking about this thing here, space separated words, and print the formatted string as explained below. So this will be given as input, we have to do this as a output. So easy. So here you can see that I've already done it, very easy. So in main you can see that raw input will be taken, and it is stored in the variable name called line. Okay, you can't edit this part, you have to write the function. So it was like this, it was written like this: write your code. So this is how it was given to me. Okay, sorry, this was also not there. So that's how the question was presented to me. Everything was like this. Now input was taken from the user and stored in the variable called line. Then this line is passed through the function split and join, which is this guy, and line we will get line is string. Here we have to write the code, means we have to make the hyphen code, that hyphen string with hyphen, and it will return to here and it will store the string with hyphens on the variable in the variables result. Then you can print the result. So that's how it will work. So I'll write the code again. So just like in example, we will take a only as our variable, and I'll split the string. So line is being passed here, so line I'll use. Line is our string dot split with space. Okay, and then if I'll print it, print a, then what we will see is, you can see this is a string with separated with space wherever there was a space. Let's say if I won't put any space, then what will happen? So empty separator it is saying. Okay, so delimiter is empty. We have to put something. You can also put let's say hash. Okay, whatever delimiter you know, there is no hash inside this. So it has not splitted the string. You can see that because there was no hash element. Okay, if the string would have been having a hash element, from there onwards, let's say okay, I'll do something. Let's say line I'll change to like this. This is a string, and instead of spaces we have hash. Then what will happen here? If you will put hash, you will get it will be separated from hash place. You can see that. Okay, wherever there was hash, it has been it has splitted the whole string into a list of string. Okay, list of string, because this is the list, and each element is also a string. That's why. And we are getting none because we are not returning anything. Okay, that's why none is being returned from the function. So that was it. It is not required. So we know now how split works. So this is what we require. Now another line I'll write same. Now this time what I'll do, I'll take a, this guy I'm taking this a, and I'm doing dot what I have to do, no sorry, join. I have to join, right? So I'll take like this, dash join this string a. So every element, it will take all the elements, these guys, and it will combine it with wherever there is comma, it will put dash like this. Okay, and we are storing it in a again, and then print a, which I won't do. Rather I would return a, because I don't want it to put none. So a will be returned. So a will come here, it will be stored in result, then result will be printed. Okay, so that's how code will run. So now our sample test case is passed. We can see that all the commas is being replaced with dash, and it has the list of string has become again the list, again become the string, only one single string. Okay, so I'll submit it. Test cases are passed, and congratulations will be coming. Okay, so this is a fairly very simple type of question. We should have done it before, but still I wanted to cover it. Okay, so see you guys in the next challenge.